Hello everyone, today I will show you how to autofit text in Google text box. Open your text box. Now select insert option. Here you will find this drawing option and select new. Here you will find this text box option. Select and draw a text box and put your text box here. Now click this icon. Here you will find this do not autofit. Select do not autofit. Now you can increase or decrease your text box as you like, and if you select resize shape to fit text and check this, automatically fit this text box on this text. Yeah, also you can choose shrink text on overflow. Yeah, and check this again, resize shape to text. Yeah, now you can change text box border wide and color. Also you can change field color. Now select save and close. This is a text box. Now you can move this text box in here as you like. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.